and welcome back to the desk. It's time for another Spotlight Stationery monthly subscription unboxing. But first we need to talk about what happened after I got my first box. That box came with this extremely stylish Stabilo metallic pen in a beautiful metallic blue. And of course, stationery boxes are supposed to satiate the need for stationery, but what did I do? I went out and bought the entire set. Now, rather disappointingly, however, the set came with two silvers, two 805s, an 810, which is a gold, an 820, which is sort of a rose gold or copper, the 841, which is the metallic blue, and a rather nifty green, the 836. Since that video, I have also decanted my Stabilos into their own jar rather than the pouch they were in previously. So here is July's box from Spotlight Stationery, and I'm going to try and do this as a first impressions. So as always, indulge your passion for stationery is stamped on the inside, and the materials come wrapped in blue tissue paper. And it seems this month's theme is the night sky. So let's see what's involved. As always, the lovely envelope with your name written on it. So let's see what's inside. This, of course, will be the postcards by the artists that Spotlight Stationery are working with this month. That's a lovely, sweet postcard. This one I'm not quite sure about. Again, oh, bees. I do like bees, but I'm not sure the card is quite my aesthetic. This one is lovely and a little bit more traditional. And then, of course, some information about each of the young artists that she's working with. Ah, blue. Can't go wrong with blue. Regular HB pencil, but in a very fine striped blue design. That will be in the Keep collection. I've actually created a drawer for all of the items that I'm going to give to family and friends. Generous number of pens. Seem to be all gel pens. Some purples and some blues. And some very nice metallic looking blue there at the far right or far left, depending on the orientation. And here we have some space paper clips, and the one on the front looks like Saturn. Not sure if all of these will be the same. Of course, the problem with doing some of these first impressions unboxings is that you have absolutely no clue how to open the packaging, but looking on the back, it seems to have a rocket and the Earth, a shooting star, and some other items. Very nice so far. Oh, a very slim line pencil pair, and again in blue. Northern Hemisphere notebook, moment of truth. Ooh, dots. Dots I can do. Lines I cannot, but dots I am happy to do. A little thing about the constellations there. Very sweet. An Aurora limited edition memo pad. But I can see that it's lined, so that will be passed on. And the final item, one in purple. Again, ruled pages, so I will be passing that on. Very pleased with this month's box. Certainly a generous selection of writing instruments, all of which are colours that I will use and keep.